guys, Steve here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. Build a project tonight that a lot of you grandpas are going to be able to build for your grandchildren to show them how we did it when we were little. This is a little spy encoder kit that I think is going to be a lot of fun. You might even be able to use this. I know the escape rooms are real popular right now. A lot of people are having fun with those, and you might even be able to find a use for it there. But I want to show you how to set it up and how to use it. The pattern comes with a handy little box, and it just slides out. Now I will have the link to this pattern in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're reading it on the blog or in the newsletter, of course the pattern will be downloadable from the download button. So you just slide the encoder out, and it is a simple set of 3 gears, as you can see. The left gear and the right gear are labeled with the letters A through Z, and you can see that the letters are on the teeth. We're going to remove the right gear, and we're going to remove the middle gear as we start to set up our encoder. Now, every time you use this encoder, you will select a password. That password will be sent to spy number 2, who will also have the decoder, and spy number 2 will set up his device with the same password. So in this case, let's pick a password, and we're going to start the selection of our password with a letter. So let's do V, and the second part of the password is a number from 1 to 26, and I'm going to choose 15. The third part of the password is another number between 1 and 26, and I think I'll pick 8. And the last part of the password is another letter, and I think I will choose S. So our password to set up this encoder is V158S. So we take our encoder, we take the first gear, and we move it to the first letter of our password, which is V. And we set the tooth right at the mark. Then we can take our middle gear, which has the numbers, and we're going to set it in position at the number 15. So we can find our number 15, hold this gear in place, install this gear with the number next to the indicator, and you can see we're meshed up here. So now we've got the first 2 digits of our password. To get the third digit, the 8, we want to leave these gears meshed and turn both gears until we line up the 8, which is the third part of our password, with the indicator. To get the S, the final part of the password, we take the right gear, find the S, slide it onto the dial, hold these in place so they don't move, and we now have our decoder with its password set up. At this point, we would simply take our word, spy. That's the word we're going to encode. And to encode this message, we simply move the wheel till we get the first letter, which is S. We look over here on the right gear, and the encoded letter is an I. We write down our I. We move to the next letter of that, which is P. That gives us an F. Write down our F. Move to Y. Whoops, went past it. Move to Y. Our third letter is O. We can write down O. So now what we will send to spy number 2, we will send them this message. We will send them V15-8SIFO. Spy number 2 will simply take the password, do the same setup procedure. He will come to the right gear, take the first letter of the encoded message, which is I, set that up, And you can see on the left gear we have the S, which is the first letter of the encoded message. Complete that procedure until the message is spelled out. So there you go, simple little project. I stack cut these gears out of 1/8 inch Baltic birch plywood. The base is 1/2 inch thick Baltic birch plywood. The box is made from all 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood, simply glued together with 3 sides with an open end, so you can slide it in there. Okay, that's all there is to tonight's project. I hope you enjoy that, and we'll catch you next time here at the Scroll Saw Workshop.